morning, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be shooting some content and I thought I'd bring you guys with me. I've been really busy, so I haven't gotten the chance to kind of shoot my content for Instagram and stuff. So today's the day because it's 66 degrees outside and my work starts at 11 today. So hence why I just woke up and I look puffy and I sound like this. But we're gonna get ready together and I'm gonna show you the outfit, the shoes and everything, and then the location as well. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, so I changed and this is the fit. So this is from Shein, this is from AliExpress, and then my jeans are from H&M. And then my necklace and my bracelet is from, I think, Loom Jewelry. I'll link them below. And my earrings are from a small business called Hyman Raisin, or is it Resin? But I'll have her Instagram linked down below as well. Alright, as for shoes, I have two options, and the first one is this pair of flats. And this is from VIVAIA, and it's so cute. I'm going to talk about this a little bit longer because today's video is actually sponsored by them. This flat is called Aria No. 5 in Natural Peach. It's more like an off-white cream color type of shade, and then you can see that this is like a different material. First of all, these shoes are machine washable, so you can just kind of toss them in the washer and just wash them. The fabric is a material where it can, like anything you get on, you can just kind of wash it off, which is really nice. And most importantly, the shoes are made out of recycled yarn. So you can see that their box says that there are 6 water bottles that create these shoes, and it's so cool how that works. And you can read more on their website. And you can't really see it because you really have to try it on, but the support for the arch is literally amazing. And I have kind of flat feet, and so sometimes it's really hard for me to like stay on these shoes like longer. That's why I never really go for flats, but these are so comfortable. I got mine in 39. And they do have half sizes, which is so nice, but I would actually size half a size up because these run a little bit small. So Aria No. 5 is going to be released on March 1st. I also got a pair for my mom as well, and these are called Tracy heels in Natural Peach. And my mom likes heels a little bit, so I got her that, and it's basically the same, and I absolutely love it. She's already been wearing it like a lot. So yeah, but today I'll be wearing flats because I have to walk around a lot and, you know, find a location to shoot and stuff like that. So I'm gonna be comfortable and wear these flats. If you guys would like to shop the VIVAIA shoes, I'll have everything linked down below so you guys can go check it out. Alright guys, I'm at the location and it's the location that I've always been at. Just because I don't really know where else to film in like nearby my area, so it's a parking garage. But let's go. So this is the place I was thinking. Yeah, I don't know about the lighting and everything, but we're gonna make it work. Alright guys, so I did an outfit change, and this top is from Shein, this blazer is from H&M, and I'm also wearing a skirt from, I think, Princess Polly. But the second outfit is like really cute. I love it, and I'm not sure if I was really quite happy with my first location and the way the pictures turned out, but I think I can kind of like work with it. I don't know. There were a lot of people that were like watching me because it was like right by a company, and like, you know, they had a glass window and they were just like staring at me and I could see them. But that's okay, it's fine. I think I got enough, I think, that I can work with. So yeah, I came to a higher level because it's really cloudy today and I wasn't expecting that. I thought it was gonna be super sunny because it was like supposed to be 66. But yeah, like I wasn't expecting that, so I came up with higher floors so for brighter lighting. So yeah, and I think my makeup turned out really good today, so I'm quite happy. I wish I had a place to go, honestly. I love it when my makeup turns out really well, and it's really rare for that to happen, so. And it's also a good hair day. Oh, it's so windy. Oh, that's great.